Hi artists! Today we're going to draw a 3D illusion cube. So if you like to draw cubes, this is kind of cool, and we'll be adding color at the end. What you need to get and make sure that you have is you've been given a piece of paper for you, by me, by your classroom teacher or the facilitator, of black dots, and you'll see 6 black dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another version that has a bunch of little ones on it that you can try later as an option to make little ones. But this one is the one that you need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots on your page. The first step of doing this is connecting those dots. But you're going to need a straight edge ruler and a pencil and a really good eraser. So grab those materials and watch. I'm going to be using a Sharpie so that you can see the work on the screen, as the pencil will be too light. So make sure you're using a pencil first, because that's really important. I will be showing you which lines that need to be erased by drawing X's through them. Okay? So with your pencil, you're going to connect the dots one by one at the top. And I've already, my one line got a little flat there. So what comes out is kind of like this really cool like hexagon. And the ruler is a straight edge, but as you'll notice, and for an extra challenge, is for you to set these dots up by yourself. You can definitely give that a try. They're 4 inches apart, and if you like, you can measure these out and repeat it on another piece of paper and see if you can duplicate it. It's not as easy as it looks to place those dots. It's like a little bit less than 4 inches. It's not perfectly even. So now that you've connected those 6 dots together, you're going to then connect them in the center with your straight edge. So the first one is like a giant X down the middle. Just pay attention that you're going through the point, the center point, and your design will look like this. So next you're going to draw some dots down in the center, the same 6 dots, but you're going to move them down halfway. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to connect those dots. So 6 more dots, and you can free draw them, or you can measure it. You can do it by eye or measure it. And last one, connect those 2. So if you're with me, you can start seeing that cube appear. And the first 2 lines that you're going to erase are on the outside edge, right here. This is your cube that's going to pop once you erase these lines. So the first line you're going to erase is this one, from here to here. So this whole thing goes out, and then you're going to erase this one, so erase that line, and then you're going to erase this one. This line goes away. Now you're going to move to the center, and you're going to erase 3 more lines. You're going to erase this one. You're going to erase this one. And then last is this one. All right, so once you have that done, you're going to see things look a little different, don't they? And I'm challenging you to notice whether it comes at you or receives. Once you add color, you're going to know what I mean. So adding color would be the next step. And basically, I'm going to go right over this to show you where your cube is. Here's your cube. I'm doing 3 different colors of green to show you how it pops out. So it's sort of sitting that way. Okay. Now, on my speed up, I color in the whole thing with different shades of color. And that's what's going to really make your drawing pop. And you'll see that the reason why you've erased these lines even better when you add the color. So sit tight, watch the next part of this video, which is happening right after this, and you'll see how this changes. Give it a few tries, don't get discouraged. Turn your page over and try again. Yours won't bleed through like mine because you'll be using pencil, but try to use the back of your paper also. Have fun, artists.